Hello viewers, how are you? Hope you're doing well. So today we are going to prepare aloo ka parantha. For that I have taken 3 boiled potatoes. Now I'm going to peel potatoes, mashed it, half mashed with the masher, and then some coriander leaves, some chili flakes and salt to taste. Now Bhabhi is preparing parantha. She's making roll. She's rolling that dough bowl, and not fully, but a small stuffing, potato stuffing. She's going to close that roll and make another bowl which is stuffed with potato filling. She's ensuring that it should not open. Now she's going to roll it slowly. It's fully rolled now. She's going to flip it. Flipped. So she heated up the mustard oil so it won't be pungent and it won't be smelling that bad. I mean, some people don't like the smell, we love it. Now she's putting a little bit of oil in the flat bread or aloo ke paratha. Here is a cooked or prepared paratha, aloo ka paratha. Potato filled flatbread with raita, bundi and mint raita, and avocado chutney or avocado sauce. You may try at home. I will link it down some other videos. Also, I'm going to write the recipe in the description box. You can follow if you want me to make some more videos. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day. Love you all.